Whether you work in utilities, industrial operations, or infrastructure, switchgear serves as the heart of your system, controlling and protecting electrical power flow. But how can you be confident that this essential equipment will function properly before it's put to work in the real world? The answer lies in rigorous and thorough switchgear testing. Understanding tests like factory acceptance testing (FAT), site acceptance testing (SAT), and L1 through L5 operational testing is key to ensuring safety, performance, and long-term reliability. Switchgear plays a vital role in maintaining safe and stable electrical operations. It acts as a gatekeeper, responsible for disconnecting power in dangerous conditions and helping to distribute electricity efficiently. Testing this equipment is not a simple formality, it's a fundamental part of commissioning any electrical system. Without it, the risks are serious: equipment failure, power outages, safety incidents, and high repair or replacement costs. On the other hand, proper testing minimizes downtime, supports safety compliance, and gives peace of mind to everyone involved in the system's operation. FAT, or factory acceptance testing, is the first major testing phase. It takes place before the equipment even leaves the manufacturing facility. During FAT, the equipment is evaluated under simulated conditions to confirm that it performs to specifications. This includes testing protection relays, communication protocols, control logic, and interlock functions. A detailed FAT report is generated to document the test outcomes and highlight any required corrections. This phase is invaluable for identifying and resolving issues before the switchgear reaches the project site. Once installed on site, the switchgear undergoes SAT, or site acceptance testing. SAT ensures that the equipment has been installed correctly and integrated properly with the rest of the electrical system. Tests include verifying wiring and terminations, checking insulation resistance, confirming control circuits, and validating interlock functionality. SAT also verifies that any changes made during or after FAT haven't compromised system integrity. Proper documentation of SAT results is essential for project handover and future audits. Beyond FAT and SAT, there is another layer of operational testing known as the L1 to L5 test sequence. These tests are designed to gradually verify the system's performance under real or simulated operating conditions. L1 typically involves basic energization and functional checks. As the levels progress from L2 to L4, more complex evaluations are carried out, including logic testing and performance under different operating scenarios. L5 is the most comprehensive, simulating full load conditions to ensure everything performs as expected when the system is live. Together, these tests offer a structured, step-by-step approach to validating the switchgear's readiness. Switchgear testing is not just about ticking boxes, it's about protecting lives, equipment, and investments. From FAT in the factory to SAT on site, and through the L1 to L5 stages, each phase plays a crucial role in ensuring safe and efficient operation. By following a disciplined testing process and keeping clear records, engineers and technicians can be confident that their systems are prepared for any challenge. What testing procedures does your team follow to guarantee switchgear reliability? Share your thoughts in the comments. So now, a bit about me. My name is Mike L, and I am an experienced electrical engineer who has worn many hats, holding key roles in projects, engineering, planning, operations, asset management, maintenance, and field resources development. I design and pioneer engineering solutions to propel the utility and energy industry forward. My passion within the industry has also driven me to develop educational materials for the new generation of utility and energy professionals. The knowledge I teach is not only based on my own experience within the power utility industry, but also on knowledge gaps identified by other professionals in the field. Learning from me will provide you with the comprehensive, fundamental knowledge you need to kickstart your professional career in the utility industry. If you are interested in what I have to teach, check out my courses at Udemy and connect with me on LinkedIn, X, and Facebook. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe this video. Bye for now.